Look how handsome you look with that stash, eh? It's gonna be amazing.
See some of the big bad equipment that we have out there. Case in point, this guy.
That's awesome.
First one in North America.
Yeah.
I think this is a wicked product. I really do.
You know, why would you go with second best?
We're here at Commercial Truck in Woodstock, Ontario here to install the first flex unit on a truck right behind you here.
It's pretty exciting. So this is Woodstock's new pumper that they just got. We're just putting in the final details, going to set it out for some deck laying and install the last upfitment products that they have.
Just looking at it, the overall size I think is going to be very handy in some of the smaller trucks as far as the height restriction in different municipalities.
And I think there's some ergonomics that are there and better use of space and everything. And people are really starting to think about, hey, I have this custom truck I can put together. Let's really sit down and how will this apparatus best work for our department and our people, right?
We wanted the ability for our operator to be able to remotely use the stacking tips or a combination nozzle. We'll probably go with stacking tips to be able to do a blitz attack if need be at a fire.
And then that platform will be on almost any cell phone,
Yeah.
like Google, iPhone.
Anything you need to download it.
Just take your controller off. You literally, it's all.
Yeah, you can.
It's a flex monitor, right?
Yeah.
It's flexible. You can unplug the wireless module. On some builds, if you want, you can mount the controls right to the monitor if you want that option or not.
Especially in the TFT brand, it's the aftercare and service that we get. So here in Canada, we have Jeff Gorley that represents us here, and he's our local guy. The ability to pick up a phone and say, hey Jeff, I have an issue, or hey Jeff, I have a question, or hey Jeff, can you help me with something? And you get that immediate response, so I can give that feedback to the customer. Is second to none.
We're so proud to be the first ones with this flex monitor. Our continued partnership with TFT and Pierce is going to be a long marriage that we're going to have, because this truck's going to be with us for 15, 20 years.